So, hello everyone, welcome to today's session. And today we will talk about how you can facilitate an online workshop in training team. So, I am sharing my screen and then I will demonstrate everything. Okay, so in today's session, I will share how you can facilitate an online workshop from starting to end, how the process will go, and how you can apply for being an facilitator, and then you can schedule an online workshop and you can host it, how you can improve your session and this type of thing. So we know when we visit the training team blog, we have a handbook, and in our handbook, we have everything. Like we have these sub pages in our handbook, and here you can easily check how you can uh, facilitate an online workshop. But I wanted to share few things that will help you to learn and understand everything properly. So whenever you want to join a content as a content creator, you actually need to check this link where you can join as a facilitator. So here I will share this slide with all of you so you can check and get these necessary resources. So the first thing is who can join as workshop facilitator. So uh, in a simple word, anyone who has content creation experience or confident can apply to host a session in Learn WordPress. So if even if you don't have any previous experience, you are confident, you can easily apply as content creator. And if you visit this handbook, here is the handbook. I want to show how you can reach this. Like we have this training team blog, and here if you click on this getting started link, and you will reach to this handbook page, and here you will see that there is online workshop handbook. So here you can learn more about how you can uh, start creating online workshop. So for being an online workshop presenter, you have to apply to facilitate. Here is the link. So if I click here, like this is the handbook, and here you have to click apply to facilitate here. So here is the link to apply. And here you have to fill out all of your information like Google Hawk, and then your email address, and then your WordPress org username, and then you have to find the meetup profile link. So if I visit the work meetup page, I can find my user name here. So this is my profile page. So we can just copy it and add in my meetup.com user profile link in this field. And here where you can where can we find you online? So you can add your Facebook URL like facebook.com/wp, Twitter, or x.com/wp. This type of social links you can add, or if you have a personal portfolio website where people can reach, you can add it, or you can add your email address as we already added it here. So you can add your social links here, and then you have to tell your time zone first, like I am living in UTC -6 time zone, maybe +6 time zone, and then in what language you are comfortable leading or co-hosting. So you can add your name here, language name here, and then what categories of topic would be most comfortable facilitating. So you can add the targeted audience, and here you can fill this information as well. So I hope we all will able to fill this information, and once you apply as facilitator, we will review your application, and then we will actually list you on our internal list where we track all of our content creators, workshop host, and others. So this is the first step to apply for workshop content creator in Learn WordPress. And then so how to apply as, so what I already shared, this way you can apply as workshop facilitator. And then steps to onboard. So when you apply, what happened, we start our onboarding process. We just try to verify few things, like if you have any previous experience, or if you follow the WordPress code of conduct and few other things, and then we onboard those content creators on Learn WordPress platform. So the process is pretty simple. Like, we record your name as workshop facilitator, and then we add you as event organizer on meetup.com, so you can uh, create this type of event on Learn WordPress workshop uh, page, event page. And then we provide or share the Zoom credentials which is needed to host an event, because most of the free tools will allow you maybe 30 to 40 minutes to host an event. So we share the credential and uh, add this on these platforms. So make sure if you apply as workshop facilitator, you have this credentials, and we have added you to the meetup.com or not. So if you don't think we didn't add you, you can reach to Slack channel and contact with our admin or team reps, so we will add you to these channels. So what to keep in mind before you start? So we need to follow the brand guideline. Here is the link. So if you check this resource brand guidelines under the resources section, then you will find all the guidelines you need to follow. And I added few important points that you must need to care. Like, you have to respect the WordPress trademark and WordPress license. And if you are using any plugin or theme, make sure it's not self-hosted. It has a version on WordPress org. So the plugin or theme that has at least the free version available in WordPress org, then you are allowed to use that type of resource in your presentation. And don't promote a brand or work to promote specified brand. Like, if you need a specific plugin or theme to use, you can just select 2 or 3 alternative, and use one to for demonstration purpose, not just enroll a specific plugin. So a disclaimer must be added if you are using a product as suggestion, and company logo brand should not be appear as watermark. So I am using this slide. I can't use my own logo company logo or something in my presentation as watermark, and you may not highlight your own business anyway. So we need to consider this thing, and we are ready to plan our workshop. So how to plan an workshop? So to plan a workshop, we need topic idea, which we can find from project board of content development, which we can find from our GitHub. So when you check the Learn WordPress GitHub, so this is the main Learn WordPress GitHub, and here you will notice that there are few projects listed. So if you click on this project section, and here you will see different projects are available, and here you will find Learn WP content development project board. So if you open this one, you will find a few topic that is already vetted by experts. So these are ready to create different online workshops. So you can see online workshop like in few uh, topic, you will see these are already creating online workshops. I already noticed few here. Okay, so if you check all the topic, you will find few online workshop like this Japanese online workshop. So this type of online workshop is also planned here. So these are the topic you can easily take and convert it to an online workshop. Like if I check like this PHP in WordPress, this can be a nice topic to start. So if you think you can uh, create online workshop using this topic, then you can go with this, or you can search other thing like making widgets. This uh, can be another nice topic. And this type of thing you have to you can get different topic ideas from here, and existing lesson plans. So when you are checking this type of like, let's check Learn WordPress. These are featured lessons. So these are already created as lessons. You can see few of them are then you can elaborate. Like this lesson can be 10 to 20 minutes long, but this can be discussed maybe 2 or 3 hour long. So if you think this lesson can be elaborate, so you can easily take this topic as well, and convert as and host different workshop. So you can get topic ideas from here as well, and then brand new topic. So if you think a topic is not available here, but it should be hosted in Learn WordPress platform as workshop, then you can uh, go with this type of topic as well. Yeah, but that process is little bit long, because a subject matter of expert need to vet your topic idea, and then uh, we need to approve it. And once it's here, like ready to create in this board, then you can start creating on a brand new topic idea. And another way to choose workshop topic is adapt content from past workshops. So if someone is already hosted a workshop, like uh, maybe last week, uh, Meet Kenter, he hosted a topic on block query loop. So we can uh, take this type of topic as well, and post in our local languages. So language is always a barrier, and most of the people don't actually feel comfortable if it's not their mother language. So if you think the topic idea is great, and I am personally uh, helpful with this content, so we can just take this idea and convert it in our local language as well. So next topic is scheduling an online workshop. So if you decided your topic, you are ready to start your first step. So the step one is we create GitHub issues. So this is our GitHub. Let's get back. This is Learn WordPress GitHub. I need to add this in our resources. Okay, so here you can easily start GitHub issue, but I want to demonstrate you how you can get this help from our handbook. So our first step is applying to facilitate it, then planning workshop, and then we need to schedule an online workshop here. So if you already applied for this step, then you can create meetup event and follow this step. So first, what we'll do, like create our issue. So go to issues page here, and here you can create new issues. So when you click on new issue, you will find content development general. If you are not expert or not in any role of training team, then you have to choose this content development general. And another one is content development experienced author, like Rade, Rico, Chris, and others. Most of the people who is regularly sorry. So who is create regularly participating in training team activities, and their expertise is proven, so they can actually choose this content development experience author uh, section, or you can create with this content development general one. We will update this handbook to add GitHub issue first, because if you start with GitHub, it will be helpful for you to track everything, and you will get some guide as well. So this is the topic title. Like, let's for example, we can say we select an workshop, how to host workshop in training team. So this can be a topic. We added the flag workshop here at the starting, and then a colon, and then our title here. And if you click on this preview, you can see most of the text here are commented. So you need to fill actually these information and create your uh, GitHub issue. So what is the topic title? This one is the topic title. So here you can see the topic title we already added here. So topic description, I want to demonstrate how to host an online workshop. So you can add more descriptive paragraph here, like 2 or 3 paragraph or other thing, and then you have to select the audience, like all users, developers, or contributors, or others if you want to add. And then learning objective, here you can add your own learning objective. People will able to host event themselves. And then content type, you can choose this workshop. And then WordPress version, it's optional, so we don't need to uh, select anything. Will you be able creating? Yes, I will create. And then related resources, if you find any related resources, you can add it here. And then please follow the team handbook. If someone creates topic workshop ideas, GitHub issue, then subject matter experts will vet this topic. So this is the vetting instruction actually. So we need to create on this create button, and here our online workshop is ready. So another thing I need to show you, like new issue, and go with content development expert. And here you can see a few automation code, like online workshop. Let's come back to this workshop section again. And here I can just use this type of double slash and then online workshop and hit the comment. So it will start processing my automation code and add few comment here, like what is the online workshop, like workshop details, date, meetup event link, co-host, and few checklist that I can follow and schedule my workshop. So it said that create online workshop on Learn WordPress WordPress online workshops. Like this will open the uh, meetup page, and here you can easily create the event. So as I said earlier, we will add you as event organizer in this uh, event page, and you can just click on create event, create a new event. Here you can schedule your event. Okay, so these are the steps I listed, how you can organize everything. Like we created the GitHub issue, and next step is creating the Figma template. So we need to create the Figma template. Okay. Here is the thumbnail generator link that I already added in the resource section. So you can easily reach to this page, and here you can click on access to thumbnail generator. So open in Figma, and here you can click on open Figma. Because to schedule our event in Meetup, we need actually a featured image that we are creating now. Let's wait. So we are in the Figma page. Here you will see in the left side generator. So if you click on this generator option, it will take you to this page, and here you can use any template that suits with you. Like if you have multiple person attending your workshop as a host or co-host, you can actually use these templates. Or if you are only yourself hosting the event, then you can take any of the template. So here you will see online workshop, and then we can just add our event title here, and then the guest name, and then select this image. So you can see when you double click, you will see this image in the right side panel, and if you click on this image, you can upload it from your computer. So if you click, and you can easily just open it, so image is replaced with your original one. And then if you click on this main workshop template, here in the right sidebar, you can see a preview of your template or thumbnail, and then you can export online workshop. So it's already downloaded, and here you can just drag it and add. Okay, so it's not added, so we can just add our title here, and then the event date. And another thing, we need to use the time according to PDT time. So we need date and time zone this website. Like if you just visit this website, and this one I used to convert the time zone depending on different areas. So here I am living in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and we need this PDT time, PDT. So this PDT you can select here, and we need UTC time zone as well. So we can just select UTC, and here uh, you can convert any time. Like I am planning to host in maybe 15th November 25, and it will be 9 p.m. or 7 p.m. So when you click, you can select from here. Like if you are selecting for 7 p.m., you can select here and just close it, and you can see all the time zones will be changed accordingly. So the Pacific time is this 5. So we can come back to our in this event page, and here you can add 5 a.m. as this one is selected 5 a.m. but in UTC it's 1 p.m. So we can add the time, and our selected date was like 15th November, so we can change it accordingly. And workshop duration is 1 hour, and then the featured photo, you can maybe now the drag and drop will work. Yeah, so we can just save. Okay, So then we have our description. You can make it longer as it's helpful for people. Don't add unnecessary description, just add the relevant description here. And if necessary, you can add some important links as well. And then this event has a speaker. If you want to list yourself as a speaker, or if you hosting for others, so you can add multiple speakers here. So you can add their information here, their social or other things if necessary. And then you can select few topics if you think they are relevant. And then we need this online link. So we will work on Zoom soon, and we can show how you can add the Zoom here. So you can just add and then click to connect Zoom, then everything will be fine. So here you can select co-host if someone want to co-host you. So you can add that co-host here, and then there are few necessary settings then you can add, and any question if you want to ask, you can add it here, and then you can just hit publish. Complete the required fields to publish the event. So please add at least one question. Yeah, okay. So we have all scheduled our first event here. And if you are hosting a local event, don't announce it, because there are more than uh, 11,000 subscriber here. So most of them will join and they will think the event is in English. But for local events, I think it's not better idea to announce it, but better we can select this, do it later, and then we can announce it in our private group or social medias so people can join. Another thing I can share is, if you think the session you will conduct in your local language, like Parth is here, you hosted a workshop few days ago. So we can make everything localized, like we can write the title in Gujarati and description in Gujarati, and other all things we can add in Gujarati language, so people easily understand the uh, workshop will be conducted in local languages, so other people from other countries will not join, because it's sometimes annoying if someone joins and you can't actually tell them to leave the meeting as someone joined. So it's sometimes uh, what I can say. So you can make it in your local languages as well. So like you can generate this thumbnail in your local language to avoid people uh, make uncomfortable. So once our meetup event is ready, we need to schedule it in our Zoom. So I already said that I will share the Zoom details, and to logging, we need an authentication ID that we will also share. So when you join the Zoom, you will see there has meetings, and here you will see all upcoming events, and you can schedule a meeting yourself as well. So my request is, don't touch other events, just schedule new meeting. So here you have to add the title, and then the date and time. So this meetup is actually this Zoom is actually using the UTC time. So here is the UTC time, 13, that means 1 p.m. So we need to add it 1 p.m. Another thing I wanted to share, I forgot about it, like in time zone, why we are using Pacific time and UTC time. So if you check the meetup.com, like WordPress, you can see the meetup, Learn WordPress meetup is registered with San Francisco, USA time. So California time. So that is actually, if you select the Pacific time, then it will be uh, accurate with that time. So that's why we are using this specific time, and UTC is required for this Zoom. So we already got the time, like this one UTC 13 UTC. If we change, like maybe your event you want to host in 9 p.m. So you can see that time adjusted 2 hours, added 2 hours with that time, our previous time. So this way you can easily get the time. And here we need to uh, adjust few things from here. And for doing this, let's check the handbook again. So you need to actually follow this ad. Okay, so we will do this in a minute, but let's check this sub page. Like here's the steps how you can set up your Zoom. So once schedule your meeting in meetup.com, you have to visit the Zoom, and here are all necessary instruction how you can set up your uh, event details, video, audio, and options, polls, hosting a meeting, and information how you can actually set up everything. I'm searching another like this one. So for security reasons, we need to on our waiting room meeting passcode and allow participants join before the host join. This we need to off, and a few other things like uh, whiteboard, not this one. So let's actually check here. So you have to actually make this host video on and participants video off to avoid some unnecessary things. Like I have this type of experience. I was conducting an online workshop, and some attendees joins. Sorry, they actually uh, are not following the uh, necessary, what how I can say, they were doing something personal in front of camera. So we need to actually off this for participants, and then you will have few more options that you can actually check this checklist and set accordingly. So these are the thing I think is necessary to set up your Zoom, and then once your Zoom is set, then you have to hit on save and your Zoom link is ready. So here is our Zoom link. So we can just copy it and use on our meetup event. So here we can just click on this organizer tool and edit event. And here in this online part, we can just edit, add the link, and then hit save. So our Zoom is connected here and our event is ready. So once our event is ready, we need to move for next step. So I just copied it, and here I come back to this GitHub, original GitHub, and here we can just edit and here add the meetup link and then date 15th November 2025, and co-host. If you have co-host, you can add them, or you can call for co-host in uh, weekly meeting. So we just need to remove this awaiting triage. You can, if you don't have this option, you can communicate with an admin, and we will take care of it. And then we need to move this to content development dashboard. Once you an admin change it, you will see few option is ready, like ready to create. So if you check this dashboard, project dashboard here, what I shared, content development, and here you will find that our content is added here, like content development, set, learn content development, maybe this one. So in this area, you will find your topic is added, maybe yeah, at the end of the page. So it's ready to create. And then we can just, okay, so we need the co-host. So for getting a co-host, what we have to do is just open our Slack, and here we can just paste a, I need a co-host for this event, or you can add in GitHub issues meeting agenda. When we publish the meeting agenda, like I prepared everything, so you can just comment here like I need co-host for this event. So if you just comment, we will take this and add it on our meeting in somewhere, so people will uh, see that they have opportunity to co-host your event. So next step is once we scheduled our meetup event, so we need to check mark this, like we completed this step, and add online workshop to workshop online workshop calendars. So if you click on this, we will add you in this website as well. So you can easily add events here. So learn WordPress online workshop. Here you can just click on new, and then here maybe meeting. So we can just take this title and add it here, and the date is 15th November, and you can add the time, like what was the time. You see it was 13 UTC, maybe 13 or 15, whichever time is your time. So we can add that, and it will be once off, and then we can just hit publish. So if we visit this page again, online workshop calendar, here we scheduled our event. So if we move to next month, November 25, like, did I make any mistake? All meeting. Let's say it again. November 15, 09, once off, and 25. Let's add to training team. Yeah, maybe this can be an issue, like we did not add the title. November, this is the title, this is the title, and November 15, 13 UTC. Let's reload again. Okay, it's here. So we must need to add the title, otherwise it will not show here. So once you add your event here, we can check this also and assign a co-host. So if you already got someone as co-host, you can just click on assign co-host, or if you don't need event, then you can click on here, and we can just update. No co-host needed, or maybe rather here. So we can update it, and then hold online workshop. So I am conducting this. Maybe after this, I can just click on this one. So this is the step to schedule the event, and then where is conduct the workshop. So when you are hosting the event, then you need to keep few things in your mind, like how the process can become to an end. So whenever you start your session, you have to start with recording, because we are going to upload this recording on WordPress TV at some point. So you have to start the recording, introduce yourself, and then introduce your co-host. So you can hand over few uh, responsibility to him, like if someone is joining, they can let them enter on the event. If host do this, they can uh, lose their concentration from the event. So they can actually admit new people and maintain the environment. Like if someone join and start talking, they can just mute them, and sometimes they can ban if necessary. And if someone's camera is open, they can turn it off, or some other things they can actually help with. Sometimes people are writing in the chat box, but who is hosting the event maybe will not see that. So the co-host can reply on the chat box, and then you can uh, concentrate to conduct the session. After conducting the session, you can submit the video on WordPress TV. So you will find the recording. When you check the Zoom, you will see there has a section recording and transcripts. When we are recording the sessions, make sure you saved it on cloud instead of your local computer, because in cloud it's more secure, and sometimes if electricity do any type of issue, the recording will not be saved. So you need to save it in cloud, and here in this recording section you can easily download. And if you save the recording in cloud, it will take maybe 4 to 5 hours to process your video. So you can check back in 4 to 5 hours later, and then you will see the video is available here for download. So you can just click on this triple dot and download the necessary video. And then if you submitted the video, maybe we need to approve it on WordPress TV. So you can just post it by tagging TT admins, which means training team admins. Use this tag to tag all admins and post it in Slack. So we will check and just approve your video in WordPress TV. Once the video is available, then you can share it in this here. Like after you have to check this after an online workshop, this handbook. So this is basically what we were following, and here are few things that you have to do after completing the video. So you have to submit the video on WordPress TV and submit the subtitle if necessary, and submit the feedback about the experience, like event experiences you can share here. And let's check one thing, like once your workshop is done, don't forget to record your attendance. Click on this sheet, and here we track all the events summary. Like today is 5th October. So we can just select this 5th October and our event name, facilitating online workshop. I will correct it later. And then we can just add the meetup link here. And then it's in English, and maybe 15 people RSVP'd and only 6 people joined. So you can see the percentage. And once WordPress TV URL is available, you can add your WordPress TV link here. So these are the thing to host online workshop. And then we have few resources that will need you need to submit your or conduct your workshop. So this is the WordPress TV URL. So once you visit the WordPress TV, you will land to this page, and here you can see get involved, and here you can submit your video. So here is WP TV submit video, and here you can add video title, language, and other necessary data you can fill out here. And once you submit, it will be submitted to WP TV. Okay, so anything else I listed, like best practices or how you can make the event better? So make sure you have co-host who will take care few things for you, and you can easily concentrate on your event. Choose topic that you feel confident, like the topic you feel confident that will help you to conduct the session really easily and confidently. You can host in your local languages. So if you think English is little bit hard for you, then you can definitely host in your local language. Don't try to cover everything. Instead, host multiple events. Like if you think the topic will take 2 or 3 hours, of course, people will not feel interested to stay 2 or 3 hours concentrated. So you can instead you can make it multiple parts, like uh, part 1, part 2, and 3. Share resources you mentioned, like if you don't have this type of slides, you are actually demonstrating from different sources, then make sure you shared all the resources along with WordPress video, WordPress TV video, or GitHub or other places, so people can easily access if someone watching your video from WordPress TV later. And another thing, make sure you uploaded it to WordPress TV. Like if people, if someone is not available for busy schedule, then they can check it later. Don't focus on number of attendees. Like you will see here, few attendees were very low, like 24 per people RSVP and only 3 joined. So this type of thing can happen anytime. So don't concentrate on attendees, rather you can focus on, as the video will be available in WordPress TV. So in a long run, maybe 500 or 1000 people will watch your video. So focus on that large goal. So if attendees are low, don't panic and feel confident. Don't get disappointed if someone don't answer your questions. So you will experience this often, because most of the people don't feel confident, comfortable to get involved. They will not open their camera, or they will, most of the time people will not communicate properly. Like if you asking a question, maybe someone no one will actually answer. So what you can do, you can tell them to actually write in Zoom chat, so you can take the questions from there and uh, host the event properly. So these are the thing I wanted to share. If anyone has any question, then we can answer those. Yeah, Vasant.
I have a question for a local workshop.
Okay.
If if we do the local online workshop, and as you show, we not and make announcement. So how we can notify our local people, and like any option to send those email, and also like we doing workshop in a Gujarati language, so we need to notify Gujarati peoples in a location by they are going to meetup.com by location, so they are appear our event on their front of them. So how we can set that?
Yeah, what we can do, we can share if there has any Facebook or Twitter group or LinkedIn group that uh, has people uh, based on Gujarati language. So we can share on those type of platform. Also, we can involve few of our friends. Like I can share, I can tell Parth to share on his own profile, or this type of way we can actually share. Also, you can add in meeting agenda, so people will actually able to see your event. And another thing I forgot to mention, like plan your event, plan your event at least 2 weeks ago, so training team gets enough time to promote your event as well. So we can help in this way, and sometimes if you need, you can uh, reach to different local groups. Also, you can reach local meetup group, like in most of the cities we have meetup groups. You can tell them, because maybe there has Gujarat WordPress meetup chapter, so they will have a group of audience. They can send an email from a local meetup organizers platform. If you need help, we can communicate with them, and they can send the email to Gujarati community, so people will able to join.
Okay, I have another question.
Yeah, yeah.
For existing workshop, which already done like 1 year, 2 year ago, and also the we need to produce in other language, like this workshop we do in a Hindi or Gujarati language.
Right.
So where we can get the PPT and resources which the original workshop have a show in the workshop.
Right, right. So, if you check the GitHub, like GitHub issues, project, then learn website, content development, and here you will see a few workshops already done, or even it's not workshop, you will find related resources like these things already published or closed. So let's check something. Tutorial. So create tutorial for learn WordPress, high priority one. So if you open, you will see uh, few related resources you will find here. Or if you are creating something from existing uh, GitHub issue, then you can search by that name, and you will find an issue where you will find this type of drive or other resources they used. Yeah, Andrew.
Yes,
Maybe you're not audible. Yeah, Vasant.
I have another question, but might be the answer is a yes, but I just ask for confirmation.
Yeah, yeah.
As as you show on a first to register as a facilitator and event manager on a meetup.com.
Right,
So this is a one-time process. Once it is done, then for next workshop, it is not necessary, right?
right, right, right.
Okay, thank you.
Once you are added as a facilitator, then you don't need to register second time, and you just need to start from the GitHub issue. Okay, so once you already uh, hosted an event, then you can go this new issue and start from this.
Okay, thank you.
So if any other person has any question, you can write. Okay, so if there is no other questions, I am going to stop the recording and share my screen. Then we will end the session after few discussion.